Now eat, Prakash.
No. Yes.
Now he realized, oh, I have another one. Oh, now son. He likes pictures.
Now he's afraid that everybody is looking towards.
He is probably in some press conference.
Oh.
Ah, don't eat now. Take another one.
Wow, it's so good. Why not?
Yeah, that's good. He just took it from there. But now.
There's much more vitamins than before.
Yeah.
Prakash.
Anybody else? How is it going? Anybody else?
This is what he often he is doing.
Ne, ona nechce pomeranč, určitě. Ona chce jenom tady ležet, ne na zemi. Tajník, co jsi viděla? No ten pokojčík, jak to se a líbí. Hezký, že? Ale počkej, ten byl možná tam je? To tam, no, ne, a kuchyně. To je, jo. Je tam taková chodba, kuchyň a ten pokoj. Tak pro nás 4 to rozpovídáme.
Yeah, you are. Prakash.